Yeah, what's up guys? Welcome to another JD show. Today I want to talk about some Subaru and Mini GT chases. Yes, we recently got some Subaru cars. Here we have the Subaru Impreza WRC from 1998, number 975, and we have the let me cut that for you real quick here so that we don't have some bad reflections. We have the Subaru Impreza WRC from 1999, number 986, and I do also have the raw chase version of the number 975, the 98 Subaru. So let's get into it real quick. This is actually the first time I'm showing this model. This model I have been showing when it was released. And we're gonna open the chase model right away. I'm gonna cut this here away from the camera. So here we have the car. The chase versions are mostly only available, or are only available about the blister packaging. So mostly about the US distribution. It is the same box. It's just the car without the paint job. Here you have it. The extra details, like the extra lights and the spoiler and everything, are in the same color, also with the side mirrors, and the rims appear in the color of the car. And on this one we also have the interior in the Subaru blue, what is very nice. You can see the license plate, the nice tail lights, and the crazy front with all the lights. Number 3. This is driven by Colin McRae, I think. It should stand here on the window, but it is very small. Yeah, I do think so. Very nice, very iconic car, and I'm happy to have the chase also. Yeah, I had to buy this one on the aftermarket, so it was kind of expensive. But yeah, sometimes there are some chases that I want to have when I see them. Yeah, I think I bought this on Whatnot. I'm not 100% sure anymore. And here we have the 99 version without the crazy lights in the front, number 5. So if you're not familiar with this, here metal body, metal base, rubber tires, very nice rims also, very nice tail lights, nice headlights. So we can compare these two to each other. 98 and 99. You can see here the same front also. I hope it is all very sharp for you. We have some different stickers here, like from the Rally Monte Carlo. This one looks different. Here's a different color. This is also left-hand drive. This is also left-hand drive, but with the UK license plate. Usually UK cars are right-hand drive. So here you can also see the graphics in the back are different. And you have this little thing here on the roof. I don't know if this here is just to get more air on the inside, or is this also for downforce? I'm not really sure. Yeah, overall very nice models, and I do like the chase. Like this polished metal here, looking very nice. It's also nice with the blue interior. Yeah, and the heating stripes here in the back window. That's also a very nice detail. The 99 one doesn't have it, just the 98 one. Okay, I don't know. Yeah, that was just a short video. I hope you like it. Let me know in the comments. I hope you enjoyed this video and have a great day.